Today we're going to be going over some wireless Android Auto advanced tips. And the first thing that we want to cover today is what to do if you're experiencing any issues. So for that, we're going to go ahead and go under Settings, and we'll go to Network and Internet. And in the upper right up here, you're going to see 3 dots. So we're going to go ahead and click that, and then you'll see Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. Click that, and then we want to reset that setting. It's going to ask if you're sure. Click yes. You see a pop-up right here, network settings have been reset. After that, then we're going to go ahead and reconnect our phone via Bluetooth. So we'll go to connected devices, Bluetooth. I'm going to turn that back on since we did the reset. We're going to pair a new device, and then you will connect it as seen earlier in the video. We're going to allow and pair. And then once we're paired up, we'll go in here. And then the other setting that we want to show is this top setting here. So automatically means whenever you get in the vehicle and your phone connects via Bluetooth to the actual VLine, it's going to automatically run wireless Android Auto. If you don't want that and you want to have to go in here every time and click on your phone at the very bottom, then we'll click up here and it'll change it to manually. So that means that every time you get in the vehicle, you have to open up the Android Auto settings and click on your phone down here. So we'll do that. The other thing I want to cover is mic gain here. If you're using our aftermarket microphone, you want that at 63. If you're using the factory one, you might have to turn this down to around 45. It just kind of depends. It's something that you'll have to play with if you're using the factory one. But again, if you're using our aftermarket one, keep it maxed out at 63. Go ahead and hit the back button here. There we go. We're finally linked up now.